Now let me proceed to go by Dwayne. How dare you? How dare you? Let me tell you something. You not gonna put, you're not ride him out here. You will not ride Dwayne out here. You know why Dwayne disability about you is a pity? Because we are gonna go back to the baker. Let me tell you down memory lane. Let me tell you something. Uno are you are one of them will put it up in him head. When the guy go down there, you see the Uno like for talking, you not tell too much lie out here. When Dwayne leave from Dana's house, Dwayne left there was to return back to Dana the Wednesday. He left there to go back the Wednesday, so him woulda did he never have no problem. Uno nasty drunk brains wash him and tell him that she never treat him good and tell him that she Uno had a problem. So when you go come talk about how she treat him, so that she don't treat him no way. Because when time, I'm tell you now, when him did sick the other day, when he was sick, at least she did come out and pray for him. I want to do, go back, go brains wash him and make him come out and cuss her. You know what the problem? I go tell you what is the problem. Can I tell you, I study well. You see, if when Dwayne did come out the other day and apologize, she did come out and run him, Uno would have feel good. Uno would have feel good and start to cuss her for him. But you see, because she accept the apology, that is the belly what would have carry. That is the belly what would not carry. Allow the little boy alone. Leave him alone and go text it past CJ. Because I say you're the boy disability, the reason why it bother you so much, because I say you're hearing the past social media saying who that 11 inch and you just feel bad for no saying can't cut you up and radio out with it. That's why you have a problem with the disability like that. That's the reason why you have a problem with the disability. As a mother, here's a mother, here's a big old dirty nasty tackle ram and a business woman, and you say you do charity, you do about something, but here till the past social media. Him come out and tell us that enough is enough. Him supposed to talk, him have a platform. Him supposed to talk. So when you go jump on him about in disability for you used to run up and down on the Dwayne platform. Me never see Dwayne over on your platform yet and nobody never screenshot him. And you used to go over there. Can I tell you already, me say anybody, you don't care for your enemy as long as them are cross. Dana, you're into them. And you go over there and you are one of them a brains wash him. Leave the boy alone. Because at least Dwayne what the CJ they tell us boy at least, well, so you're not supposed to call nobody card. Let me tell you something. Not even Casey lean like round a fern gully. Cause you ban down Casey, ban her down, Shana favor when young John cause so oh you out you now a cuss a boy. Where you take for the boy for? When anytime mountain come and you want and you still a beg the money, you still not pay Mr. Rampaswad in rent. You still not pay Mr. Rampaswad in rent, not it either. You still not pay him in rent. The lady never put him on no cement, but the lady put him on a chair. And her house was in construction, but no, she never did put him. She should have put him for sit down on Tina Batty and see if it could have fixed. And that's what she should have put him for sit down on. A such a liar and wicked. A so Tina liar, so Tina can't tell lie for me. I say, people, how me know Carol? I went Carol for birthday. Carol got Jamaica go keep us in 68th birthday. I saw me know what Carol look like. Me never hold a conversation with Carol. Never. How me see Tina thief off him father money and see a me and Carol put it out past social media and me and Carol are stalking drunk. Him supposed to fix her. She too out of order. Him supposed to fix her. Cause you talk to Dwayne a handicap physically, we all see that I'm disabled physically, but CJ mentally disabled. CJ mentally disabled, how it go? Anytime at all you want money, them time you come for pay for the van. Anytime you want money for pay for your vehicle, you don't like to people survive and you don't want nobody tell you the truth. So how you out here call up people name? Oh, you out here call up people name, you couldn't know the internet because of what you come out, you come cuss Lady V and tell liars and Lady V trouble you. So when you did come off of the internet, I'm sure no say what you hear you cuss the guy in England. So when you did come off of the internet, when Tina did come off of the internet, when? You don't want nobody talk. So oh, you come out and talk about the lady. Oh, you were there, you get up and cuss the poor guy, and cuss the poor guy, little guy in Canada. Call all the guy mother name past social media. Go take up all the guy cake because you see the baker guy share it out. You not promoter, you not share your business. And when other people share other people's business, you have problem with them. Coupon you about the shame people. You are one of them. When brains wash him out the woman, you are one of them drunk. Cause when he left there that faithful Saturday, he had planned to go back to Wednesday. I would go tell him, oh woman this, a woman that, a woman this. Oh no! So where you now go? Where you are go? Where you are run out to go? And him are the only disabled person on earth. And him are the only disabled person on earth. She said she never there and the lady that call up her name. Carry the clip come with the lady that call up your name. Bright and stink as so she love tell lie on people with all germs thinking rotten whole self. And she feel like that you can jump out. Do you not be another do you not go for your slaughter table? I trouble out here with me and you. Kind of trouble you in come out come talk on him platform. I'm tired of you. So oh you gonna go and tell because him know that the lady don't do you anything. We all know say if I want somebody done do out here, nobody not know out here. A Tina. Bad mind, Tina, bad mind. Bring the evidence, come. We want to see the evidence of the people that we are troubling you out here. We want to see the evidence of the people that we are troubling you out here. You don't have to bring none for me because I don't care. I don't care. You have too much free time for your hand. You have your daddy in the old dirty Cambridge poorhouse where chink and roach climb in your daddy ears hole, and you sit down and get up every day and watch all way to burn you. You don't like somebody me say same as the woman me go tell you how Tina bad mind. As Tina say Miss D got a Canada, Tina post up about India Aruba. You don't want no, me tell you, just like the baking. Tina don't want nobody bake on the internet, but Tina not bake. Tina don't want nobody. See, she come out there with two t-shirt, with t-shirt line there. See there? Two t-shirt Tina make her sell. And keep up one excitement when Tina go launch a t-shirt, then in give the little boy, the little shirt, and the boy not, the poor boy not sell t-shirt, you know. They put them tell us I never wait Tina go wrong. When Tina go launch the t-shirt them, Tina gone over Canada, Tina no go to England, cause England sell t-shirt, she no go to England, and Jamaica, she no go down there. She go to Canada where the poor boy not sell t-shirt. And she get that poor boy that you think fear people them can prosper. Tina, you think your kids them can prosper? She coming like the herpes where she have, and that's why she's so miserable. Leave the woman alone, the woman not nobody. Leave her right where she there. All nasty girl, she feel left the people them alone. She love text set pan people too much. You don't know why she come out so strong pan Dwayne, because she knows say she feel like so nobody not there. You know go out here I ride on Dwayne, my love, not a backside. All when me and him not talk, all when we tear up one another, you not take your set pan him out, you have me pick me that, you must be mad. Me all when I rather cuss out your blood clot when I don't cuss him too. You're not getting away out here with it. You love text set pan people too much. You love to text set pan people. You know how long me I wait for you to come to make me and you trash out this thing here. You know how long me I wait for you. Why you gone over there for? Why you gone to be little boy for? Miss Vernica, why you have to clean her shit? No disrespect. Why you have to live in her house? For squid out part of the money and I take care of Randy mother. Randy, Miss Rampa, been she married to the father. But Miss Vernica, she not disabled. Now half of disabled people you live. So how you come out the one that call case lane not disabled? The whole of your people them disabled. So what happened to what you cost one for? All because him cannot stand up strong for fling cocky for you and that about you. That's why you find I have a problem with the disability. Cause he can turn you down in a one car park, but guess what? He can push your cook up underneath you. The stick where you see there, he can push it right up underneath you. He can push up all the wheelchair underneath your thinking bumbo too. So if you have a problem with the disability, we can come in, can push the wheelchair. He can't even take up a bag of cement them and the bag of cement them where you say the woman and pack it up in your thinking bumbo. And that him for do. And that you did want that. So you say you see the cement them. You see how you see you never see I want cheer the woman put him for sit down pan. You never see I want cheer. Cause the woman make sure make the chase, put the chair cause that place because she know when did that come there. You not see the chair, you see where you see the cement them for stuff up in your big thinking water or peas hole. And that you should you see how you see it? You see it? Oh that's how you, and that's why you did get blood clean cat because you know your pussy big can't keep nothing up in night, can't keep no secret. And you run take African man grind out your ass and tough you up and carry then there come the blood clean down to the substance, find out say you whole think and decide to jump right out in the airport. You need to leave the little boy alone. You need to leave the picnic alone because the man not trouble you. He tell you the truth. You don't want nobody tell you the truth out here. You don't want nobody every time of this time of the month you get up and text it from people. You want to tell me say if 3 people them where you suck with them brand. You not get enough blood for suck? Drunker? You not get enough blood for suck. You suck out the little boy a Canada own. You suck out the woman own. You suck out the one that England own. I know you can't talk about you never the pie internet. Where the blood clot were you? Where you did there? Can't me see you. So where you did there, pan? Cause a 2 blood clot place them can't find you, you know. Either down a Montgomery Black Plaza or on the internet. So where were you? Either down a Montgomery Plaza, Catchman, or on the internet. Which part you did there? Which part of there you did there? Because you not go nowhere else. Where you did there? Because the way you kind of afraid because according to you. Come here, you think me don't know, you think me not here? I look for you, you know. Now you appear your rent for the piece of apartment. The 800 square foot apartment. Now you want to tell me now, say. You see one little boy you have a right after you get so much trouble. You see one little boy, I don't know how you fool so why you get so much trouble. You see one little boy. Come to Canada, we have business. We have, you think him a go lose him deal that funny little bit him a know about money. You think he love man for go yeah, and you don't work it. And you don't know with Starbucks. You see one hand with one cup. And you tap 10 of your yard and I watch your camera in your yard. Why you never stay in your house? Where you not go stay in your house? Then if you know say him head no good, where you text it pan him for? It look like you long for live. As far as I see you long for live. Because you want to tell me say why you run out of your house the other day? Why did you come out of your place? Why you come out of your house for? I don't lose no focus on her. But you pass her place today when you're gonna come out because somebody said something, and I tell you, if all is our problem, she did want to cause chaos. And the guy come out on him platform and tell her enough is enough. If I take for talk every time and tell that name into where you da. We don't know why you we tired of you. What when most of the woman I catch her time with her baby, that's what mommy do. She spend her mommy time with her baby. Her baby well she take care of her baby, she not see like you. You're too big and workers and careless and nasty and haunted for the internet. Go on over same way so TV go put up something else about me because I'm not done with you yet, you know. You think me done with you and Sabrina yet? You must think I'm done with you, man. I'm not done with you. I might be no me have to go just ready for you. You're too hard. Look for what you may watch you. May I watch you for a minute what you just a text it for the people them so. You get up one day and the man a poor guy in England. You get up one day and the lady. Then you get up one day and the poor little boy over Canada. You see the boy coming up and you go talk about say how about say you can't turn in your house because he come. Why you make you can't stay in your house? Not for your house. You all go tell lie on the guy. This is a liar. And you give me your phone number through messenger, you too lie. And you give me your phone number through messenger because me tell us me and woman man did there. And you did one no story. Me have you one we have the 8 and one we have the 9. You too lie. And you can chat to me because you did want to know the woman business. Because as me tell you something did there with the man, you want to know, oh you want to make you want to know the woman business so you're too enough. And you sit down and chat and you chat how you want to blame him. Now me and you did that chat. Drunker. Me keep on ask you how me coulda know about woman and how me coulda know about party. Me keep on ask you. You're too lie. The guy don't give me no number for your couch. The guy have one number, me have one for you. And you give me your number through messenger. Cause you love the woman business. As you hear me tell you, say me and the man did there. You run ready for chat. You not find out, you run ready, you run your head, as your ear. Cause even when me hear that chat, I'm set here like a nasty mistake. I don't want nobody hear me call that woman the thief. Cause I don't want nobody. You tell me say you feel say me a hypocrite. Every move where the woman do, you watch everything where the woman do. You have the woman screenshot by everything, every God Almighty thing. You not give the woman a break. The woman can't go on her life. You not bake. And you tell me say every life where the woman the plus where you send to me, you screenshot the woman in a all different shape and form. And screen record the woman, you obsessed over the woman, you don't miss no life for the woman, Tina. You don't miss no life for that woman. And you tell me so. So how you gonna mix up the little guy in Canada? How you are gonna mix up the little guy in Canada? You know how long me and you dey talk? You block me one time, me come out and you go back and me tell you say, me also used to there with the guy. Let me make sure I tell you who are me and you are messenger in a messenger now. So before, when you go blame the guy, think twice. And me and the girl, where they with the man, where I should take my man, and me him did there with my cousin. Yeah, yeah, me tell you. I when you Allah, you dirty fucker, yo. And me. And me. When you tell me say she send people come at your place, I'm tell you for God police I report it. I come in and know you out here talk about Westchester, Westchester. No good. And you tell me say the police them not doing anything. No, you tell me say police them tell you to come off of social media drunk. Are you tell me? Are you tell me? Me never ask you no question. Are you tell me? You like to chat too much. You only want to get something about the woman and know somebody when know the woman. You're in for it. All when you go talk, say, let me tell you something. You see all the woman where you think say, let me make sure I tell you this, because the woman tell me can't tell you. Because you black car. You see the woman where you think say above rocks. The woman don't come from no above rocks. The woman don't come from no above rocks than the woman live right in the United States with you. The woman live right in the United States of America. They just frig the woman a frig round you. A frig where a frig round you. I just frig where a frig round you and just a pull your legs. You hear? If you know how bitter you is against the woman for not Yes, you're so petty, you see all the woman by him oxtail. And you can't feel it, see it, oxtail. When she and the workers are whosoever name the oxtail, they shit it out. Down to the woman oxtail, you have problem with your freaky. Your workless and catch you, don't know we can laugh off of you. You know, so we take you upon tacti, we also take you upon tacti. Me take you, then one take you, one take you. And we make sure, so we say no, the thief in when the night couch. We just she give out receipt. A fool with a messenger take you for bitch. Fool. Laugh we a laugh off of you. And I download voice change up our phone and that chat here and laugh. You know we can laugh off of you. Careless like. Boy, you know the 3-way call. We don't want to do the 3-way call with you. We take you one at a time. We take you one at a time. One at a time we take your nastiness. It was fun, mad, delusional, crying, cry, baby, drunk. Where? Workless. But the woman mash up internet. Which internet you mash up? Are you mash up? Like how you match up in a Mingles nightclub. I chew you then put security at Mingles nightclub. Cause they tired to see up on blood clean the camera bend down and take wood. And you make them put manual security out of Mingles nightclub car park. You're too enough. Just pay a little petty, you don't have nothing constructive to talk with the woman do you. Pay a little petty, y'all worry about all the woman and make up her blood clot face. And now gone away. Pay a little petty, I'll know cause we are trying to find out what is this problem. Why you so hurt? Are you first invent sorrel cake? It's okay. Are you first? Continue making it now. Everything what you see you do, pay a little petty things. You don't have nothing concrete for talk about the woman. And are you everything she come out here and attack? So I don't know where you come out to come chat for. Me say you know when me know say Tina Workless, the pastor with the late entertainer Jamaica. When the pastor man, me say when I frightened when I see somebody screenshot Tina, you know say a one man me act one blogger. If they have the pastor man page, just go. Me say, oh, Tina find the pastor man page. I don't know till Tina reach over there and in a comment section. Everywhere me say, if me come out, me say for the, me don't know she never come over here, maybe I should be the address done respectfully. I was surprised to see that germs. I was surprised to see that germs never come out. She hears somebody, she jump. Go be it, me tell you if you go be it, go find something to do with your time. You come say you have the passport, your thief have to pick them money. You come there, you say it now go do. What do you come say you go lad? You should be selling t-shirts. And since me there here, Tina, I'm quite concerned because I feel like I have to get my good friend. You say, yes, Tina, I have my contacts them all over because that's how I got to work. I think I'm going to have to call in Mr. IRS and Better Business Bureau on you because I say, is the business closed? The cake business? Because you say, no, I am concerned about my fellow friends over there, my fellow Jamaican citizens over there. We have to do 12 and 16 shifts. And they have to work to pay your workless son when he's not doing nothing for society because he's born there. No, it doesn't go like that. Slavery abolished long time. You are bringing modern day slavery into this. And because you feel like you can speak is pokey. And then you and your son will collect the money because under the law, because that may get checked out. Because you're a felony, you will not get a job so easy because you say nobody. Because if you go forget what real senior job, when them background check you at it say you did a smuggling in the country and now go get it. So then the government give you a little money. That's the policy. Me know about it like that. Me yes man, yes, me have yes Tina. I have somebody. Yes. Yo, say me have somebody. Yes man, it's true. That is true. Me supposed to. Cause when me talk, me suppose the people get the right information. So when they hear the talk, yes, I'm supposed to dig and I'm supposed to find you because yo. You see, you still go over there, you think me not here when you say me have somebody over there where you think say you didn't go come over here, come know done it, and me not go back over there. You must say mad. We doing it you're not no me love. Yes. Now Mr. IRS, I'm going to have to go think I have to have a talk with Mr. IRS. Because the business closed. But yet still, if me not mistaken, I hear you the other day, I hear you other live, they say, they did that come. So is the business closed or it half closed? Because if it half closed, Mr. IRS supposed to get feeling cut. And your teeth too much on social media and I will not stand up and make your teeth the IRS. Because in the same time the IRS got to Tina. Is the business you need to come out because I say I'm going to feel like tomorrow I'm going to call my friend and make me contact the Better Business and all of the instances and the big place them over there because I said you need to be reported. But is it Tina come out past social media and say the cake business closed? Should I go sell only t-shirt? But no yet still, pan the t-shirt, come here Tina, come here man, no man, you dey play with your eye, you dey put your hand in the cookie jar, catch your ass, come here. When you got trouble doing for you should not trouble him, you're wrong for trouble him. You're wrong, because I say, because tell us in you're wrong for come out, you come and trouble the way and trouble Miss D, we can't look for him, baby, you know. You're very wrong for trouble them 2D there today.